Violence broke out in Dhaka after Sharif Osman Hadi, a senior leader of Inqilab Mancha, was shot by unknown gunmen. He was airlifted to Singapore in a critical condition where he later died. What followed was chaos. Protests erupted, buildings were set on fire, newspaper offices were attacked. Amidst the unrest, members of the NCP raised anti-India slogans and, without evidence, claimed the attackers had fled to India. Hadi was an openly radical figure, deeply hostile to India and known for circulating maps of a so-called Greater Bangladesh that included Indian territory. There have been protests outside the Indian mission in Dhaka this week. Security concerns have risen. India summoned Bangladesh's High Commissioner. New Delhi has conveyed strong concern. The message is clear: India will not tolerate threats to its sovereignty. Bangladesh now has an interim leadership headed by Muhammad Yunus. Since then, rhetoric has hardened. Anti-India statements have increased. A Bangladeshi political leader has openly threatened India's northeast. He spoke about cutting off the Seven Sisters from the rest of the country. The statement came from Hasnat Abdullah, a leader of Bangladesh's National Citizen Party NCP. Can this actually happen? The short answer is no. Not militarily, not realistically. Bangladesh does not have the capacity to cut off India's northeast. Any direct attempt would invite an overwhelming response. That's not a threat, it's a fact. What can happen is something subtler: rhetoric, signaling, political optics. Bangladesh is heading towards elections. Blaming India is an easy rallying point. It mobilizes crowds, it creates common enemy. Another factor is regional geopolitics. China is increasingly active in Bangladesh. Muhammad Yunus has spoken of Northeast India as landlocked. He's pitched Bangladesh as the gateway to the ocean. India's response so far has been firm. The message to Dhaka is simple: do not reopen old wounds. History has shown this path leads nowhere. Cooperation benefits both sides. Provocation only raises risks.